Hello friend, how are you today? Today we prepare the most famous Maharashtrian Sheera recipe. It is also called Prasadasa Sheera. Let us prepare this soft, non-sticky, delicious dish. For this recipe, the three vital ingredients should be measured with same cup. Here I have used this cup for measurement. I will use 1 cup of coarse rava. 1 cup of ghee. You can reduce the quantity of ghee if you are preparing it for breakfast. 1 cup of sugar, some split cashews, raisins, 1 ripe banana. I will use milk 4 times the measurement of this cup. We will first boil the milk. Using boiled hot milk will help us to prepare a non-sticky sheera. If you don't want to use milk, you can use this quantity of boiled water too. Now we will keep our pan to heat. For this recipe, the pan should be either thick bottom or non-stick. Add the ghee to the pan and to the heated ghee, add rava. Roast the rava until it starts to give out fragrance. It takes around 7 to 10 minutes for the rava to give out fragrance. After 3 minutes of roasting, add the mashed banana and mix it together. Cook the banana with the rava for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will add split cashews. As we are adding milk, we will add the raisins at the end, not now. Our milk is boiled. Turn off the flame. Keep roasting for 8 to 9 minutes. After 8 to 9 minutes, this rava has started giving out nice aroma. Now it is time for me to add the hot boiled milk into the pan. Mix it all together so that there are no lumps, and on slow heat cover and cook for 1 minute. Take some 4 to 5 basil leaves. These are homegrown basil leaves. Add it to the pan. Basil leaves will add good holy flavor to the sheera. Mix it. After 1 minute, we will add 1 cup of sugar and mix it. Now cover and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. The rava is almost double. It is nice, soft and fluffy. Now we will add some cardamom powder and mix it. Now our rava is almost done. Turn off the heat. But wait, we are yet to add raisins. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee in a small pan and roast the yellow raisins. Now, as the raisins puff up, add this to our sheera. Look how lovely they have puffed up. Mix it good. And this most famous and wondrous dish is ready to be served. As it is high calorie dessert, it is best advised to be eaten as prasad, that is in small quantities. Enjoy this lovely dish with your family. This is one of the sweet Shravan recipes. Thank you for watching. Hope you have liked it. See you again.